Mandala.
Understanding its meanings. Eastern religions are renowned for their art, diagrammatic representations, and symbols. One symbol that is popular across the globe is the mandala. The word mandala means circle or discoid object in Sanskrit. This symbol, sacred to many belief systems across the globe, is designed like a geometric shape and represents the universe. The mandala is a profound symbol that can change the way you perceive yourself and the world around you. Let's take a closer look at the meaning and significance of mandalas. What is the mandala symbol? Mandalas have multiple layers of meanings and significations. On a basic level, they signify cosmic unity, harmony, and balance. On a more profound level, they display the connection between human souls and the universe. The concept behind the mandala can be better understood if one looks at an example of a spider's web. In a web, each strand remains distinct and individualistic, but it's nevertheless connected to the other threads and the structure on the whole. Similarly, an individual has their own identity, but at the same time, they are connected to the world around them. Three-ring plan. Try this activity with the mandala in mind. Supplies: paper, pencils, compass, or 3 circles that can nest inside each other an inch at least apart. Trace 3 circles on a paper, one inside the other with at least 1 inch of space between each circle. Now with the idea for the mandala's meditative practice of focus and mindfulness, use symbols or images to represent the following plan to deal with complex trauma. Center of all the circles. What your complex trauma represents, use colors or symbols. CT is something that was traumatic to you in the past and still is hard for you to deal with today when you get reminders or triggers of the past trauma. The next circle ring, inner ring, using symbols and color in a pattern around the ring to represent triggers you have in relation to the trauma. The outer or protection ring, and again using symbols and color creates a pattern of what you can plan to help you manage the triggers so the emotions and behaviors don't get out of control and lead you back to the core trauma, causing guilt and shame. Putting it in perspective, your complex trauma is the core of the issue. The things that trigger the emotions and behaviors related to your trauma surrounds it. The plan then surrounds it all to help focus on the priorities first, the inner rings being why the plan surrounds it. Prevention or protection from trauma's full effect.